Hello, dear students. This is Amir Khan, your social studies teacher. Today, our topic is on the globes and maps. So, where we will learn about today's lesson is about major, difference between map and globe. Then we will find out the importance of the key elements of the map. So, these we will discuss on this lecture. So we will first of all, if you look on the slide, this you well know about this globe. On the central line, that is called equator, which is on 0 degree, and the other line, the minor lines you look over here, this the line which comes from the northern part to the southern, that is called longitude, and the line which are parallel to going toward the eastern side, that is called a latitude. So there are also importance for a map. So this is a globe, you well known. So we have here, what is globe? Globe is actually a round shape body which show us about the exact point of the water body and land body, because if we find over here that is in a round shape, but it is map is in a flat shape. So map cannot give us a picture of the whole earth, but we can make different maps, but globe give us the location. And globe also help us to look on the movements of the earth, and their how the day and nights are there, where are the oceans, where are the continents. Then if we come to the map, what is map? Map is actually a flat in a flat which represent us on the show us about the locations of the continents, cities, countries, even your local areas map, which shows us more information as compared to globe. So maps are of different type. Maps, like we find over here, that is administrative map, which shows the provinces of the map. Then provinces and districts map. Then we find another map is types of these kinds of map, which we call, these are physical map, which show us the mountain range and land areas, plateau areas, desert areas, river areas, so which give us more information on it, and the passes of the countries, which give us more. There, and another map type is of climatic map. So which we find over here are some of them are in climatic map. So there are a number of climates, there are a number of maps which give us informations, more information, but I have discussed with you like these three types of map, and there are more. So what are the key elements for the map? So the key elements for maps are title, scale, direction, grid. Grid we discussed on latitude and longitude, that are considered to be the grid, and legend or a key. If we come to the title, the first one, title, used to show what the map is. Map of what is the map for. For example, if you are doing like Pakistan physical map, but you have to mention the title Pakistan physical map over here, that it would be considered that what is this map showing. Like this would be also the map, but if we not show that what is in the map, so we will call that is not considered to be a map. So title is very important for a map. So you can look over here, every map in the side at the top there are the title. So then the another one is the key or legend, which show the objects of which you color on the map, which you give points on the map on. That is also like over here, you make these kinds of keys for the map, where what are that showing, like park or what, there are you making your own map and you showing that this is showing what is the exact information on your map. Then compass or direction, we call that. Direction is also very important, like what is your map, which direction it is, south, east, west, north, south, like these types it shows in your map, which look over here, like this shows that north, south, where is your map found. So then we find scale. Map, for map, scale is also very important. So which shows us that distance, like how many of that directions of how many of distance you have made this map. Then we find grid system in our map. Grid is also important. For example, it show the exact location over here. For example, where is your location of the house, you can say that A1, so it's that number. Then if we call that where is your school, then you will say A and 3. So these will be show. If we look on the map of Pakistan, we find the same over here. So we can look over here, where is Pakistan location. If we look over here, it's 65, like over here 60 is here, and then 65, and where 65 north to that, from here, like this corner is, and the another corner of this map would be on 75 east, 75 65 east to 75 east. Then we will find from here where is on the western of north of this map. So we will look over here 38 to, on over here it's 24 north. So this would be the importance of the grid, importance of grid for the map. So this would be today's lecture. So we will look over here. Your home task would be like define the terms globe and map, and make a map of your home and mention the key elements. The key element, I tell you, make a map of your home and till to your street. Then you will show me the key elements of your on that map. So thank you so much for listening me.